Welcome to Jim's World. Gonna have a look at a Flash Flood of Colour 2011 release. The CD and DVD are placed on the left and right hand side. It's a fold out booklet. Thanks for watching Jim's World. See you next time.